Hello YouTube, my name is Amul and you are watching. In this video, we are going to have a look at WordPress 2021 theme and in brief WordPress 5.6 release. So let's get started. This is a newly installed WordPress 5.6 with 2021 theme, and this is how it looks. This also has this dark mode feature that you can enable on your theme, and this comes with few inbuilt patterns that you can use like these, and these are completely replaceable. You can replace these images. This is column pattern that you can use. This is another pattern that you can use. So these are the new feature of WordPress 2021. There's one more thing that you can use, video caption. We will talk about that. We will quickly go ahead and have a look at, let's see what we have here. Yeah, it loads faster as well. So you can see this is dark mode, otherwise this is completely custom mode. You can customize the background. So now let's quickly go ahead and have a look at the WordPress release post. So go to wordpress.org, go to blog. You can get WordPress 5.6 from here if you're installing it on your system. Otherwise we have this 5.6 Simone release, which is it's named after this Nina Simone, a legendary performer. Welcome to 5.6, WordPress 5.6, and these are the new features that we have. Greater layout, flexibility. So basically it uses block to make it more flexible. More block patterns. We have a few patterns included in this 2021 theme that you can use. Better video captioning. So video captioning, let's see what we have here. So video captioning is something like where do I have a video? Okay, so this is caption thing, so you can write your video caption here. So whatever you are saying in the video, you can write in the video caption. That's what they are saying, video caption. You can now upload them within your post or page, so to make it easier than ever to make your video accessible. So okay, that's a good thing. So video will be accessible if you write your caption, video caption, which is good for SEO. 2021 is here, so these are basically pattern display that you can see, and we will have a look at almost all of these patterns that are here. Colors that you can change, background colors are very simple. So go to customizer and then go to background, color and dark mode. So we have dark mode here. You can see if I just uncheck it, this will disappear and your visitors will not be able to toggle the dark mode feature here. Now you can go ahead and change the color, whatever color you want to make it. So this will be kind of secondary color if you are using dark mode, so basically primary color. Okay, whatever looks better for your website. Just a random one, I'm not going to select any. You can have a background image, which nobody likes these days because it is not good for SEO. So if you've got background image, this may slow down the page load. This is why people don't want to have background image these days. Okay, few options with the background image. You can fit to screen, which will be kind of screen. Repeat, it will start repeating. Custom, you can customize it. Original, fit to screen. Full screen, so that will be kind of pixelated. I don't want to have it. Scroll with image. These are few options that you can uncheck or check, but I'm not going to have image. It doesn't look, and I don't have good image for this as well. Now let's move on to one thing I noticed. This, I think 5.6 comes with two inbuilt menus, and these menus get activated when you click the customizer. So if you already have a website and you're trying to upgrade, this could be a bug. So make sure if you're upgrading, go ahead and check. I haven't checked my website yet. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and check whether these pre-created menu are kind of conflicting with your existing menu. If you have named same like primary menu and secondary menu, that could be an issue. Okay, then we can have a look at the widgets. So with this theme, you get widgets at the very bottom. So this is basically widget area, and you can add more widgets to it. You can see search, hello, recent post. You can also get recent comments here. Yeah, like this one. You can get anything you want, like categories, calendar, audio archive, meta, navigation menu, like this. So this is awesome that they have navigation menu, and you can have a secondary menu to it, like. So this could be your social media secondary menu, which we already have somewhere. No, we don't. Okay, so that looks awesome. Okay, now homepage settings. So a very common one, you can select the homepage and select the posts page. Excerpt setting, we have summary and full text, which is option for your posts. Okay, additional CSS, you can add your additional CSS over here. So now we will have a look at these blocks and how you can basically start using. So go to your dashboard area. So we have few pages here and just one post. So when I come to here, you can customize this. So you might get so many things like this. You can customize if you don't like something here. Size at a glance. Activity, so this will be kind of your comments if you're getting any comments on new posts. We can go ahead and create a new post. So this is how the block editor look now. Demo 2021 theme post. Alrighty, so now this is how it looks. It's kind of too large. Okay, you can add excerpt here now, image. So let's add an image here. Never forget to add your alt text. Then you can add, customize our. Let's add. Then we can add the tags. Now let's have a look at these patterns we have. So you can see you can go to patterns or blocks. So I don't think there's anything added to blocks. The only thing they improved was video, and then you can add caption. That makes it more accessible. So, and we already have seen it. So there's nothing new in the block section here. So to access any block, you simply type backspace and the name of the block, then you can get it. So as soon as you start typing, you can see you got two. So one is pull quote and the quote. So this is how you can get to a specific block that your theme supports. You can also go ahead and install custom block plugins that will be available to your any theme. Alright, so let's have a look at the blocks. You can see this is the option button. You can select 2021 block, button, column, gallery, header and text. So these are basically inbuilt blocks with this theme. So I can go ahead and replace. Once I've selected it, I can go ahead and upload a new image or open from the gallery and select from here, but I'm not going to do it. You can select similarly this one. What is this? Upload external image. So if you click, okay, you can crop it, replace it. Little bit buggy. You can write the caption, image caption. I need to press the power button, which is Control Z. Okay, now you can. Oh, that's not working. This one is working. Okay. And then you get few style options. You can switch to whatever looks best for your post. I think this is okay. This is okay. And this doesn't have much options here. Default bordered. We don't want to have the bordered one. Crop image to fit entire column. Okay, so that's something new. You can add your alt text here. You can customize it. Okay, now let's have a look at the other patterns that we have. So just click on here, go to patterns, and you can see you can use this pattern. So this is H2, which is very large. I will go with the H3 still, so you can basically decrease the font size from here. I don't think it's a pattern. Anyway, it could be a pattern. Well, it is a pattern. It's basically taking the whole screen. Now let's see. You can have something like this. Replaceable. Uploaded. Okay, so that got uploaded. You can't replace it anymore, so I will have to press Ctrl Z. Remember that this is still in the extra large, normal, extra large. Go with, oh, that's a gigantic thing. Extra large, huge. So this is also not very optimized. It should list in a smaller kind of field, so that like this, so that we can understand, like select it easily. Otherwise it's too much optimized for user experience, which is kind of not usable at all. So yeah, awesome. Okay, this looks perfect. All right, so that's another thing that you had to look at. Now let's see what other options we have in the patterns. So this is something that you can add, and what it does, it creates internal links on your pages. So basically you can go ahead and add link. So what it is, let me quickly tell you. So you can simply say roses. So this will be kind of internal link. However, you can create external link as well by just removing the hash from the beginning of this link. So this will be internal link. If you have to create an external link click on it and just edit it and remove this one and type in your external link. Okay, this is an URL, which is a web URL. So this also lets you basically add new block inside, which you can simply add here. So also this lets you add more blocks. So if you go ahead and you have access to all the blocks available inside WordPress. Oops. Wonderful. Now you see, okay, so that's another thing. So let's have a look at what exactly it looks like. Oh, I just need to publish. I think it's a new post, yeah. So it's got published here. We can go ahead and have a look. Demo 2021 theme post, and this is how it looks like. We will look at, okay, so let's see. So when you click on it, you can see it changes the color. It adds the internal link, which is basically called page fragment. This is external. It will take you to WordPress, google.com. And these don't have anything, so basically this will take you on the top of the page. So when you just add this hash anywhere on the page and you click it, it will take you to the very top of the page, which it's doing right away when you click on. All right, so oh, by the way, you can create these things manually as well if you like to. So let's see, I want to say here heading and then type something like this, and then if you want to create internal link, you simply have to click on this one, just put your hash, and this will be internal link. It should say internal, yeah, it says internal here. You get option to open this in a new page, but I don't think that's very practical for the internal links. So there are many plugins that do it automatically whenever you have H1, H2, H3 things, but this is how you can do it in WordPress without using any plugins. But this will be kind of extra work for you. The one thing the manually internal link created is not doing, it's not taking you to this top of page, which plugins will do automatically. All right, so now let's see what else we have in the block. So in the pattern. So we can go ahead and check the buttons. We can add these buttons here. Columns, you definitely want to add one column here so that you can remove empty block section by pressing Shift Alt Z or Z, whatever you call it. And then we can have a look at different pattern that comes with this 5.6. We have gallery, something new. You can go ahead and replace. This doesn't come with okay, so you get two options: file, media file, attachment, page. If you just update it, you can go ahead and have a look at the post here. Because we did not replace it, it will take nowhere when you click on. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Remember, you can create everything that is already in the pattern manually yourself using these blocks, but these are basically ready-made thing to save our time and make us a little bit more creative if you're not using it. So you can see this thing here. So this is basically all block that it's using. So we already have these social media share blocks, and that we can combine to create a pattern and reuse it. I think it's somewhere. So let's have a look at this one. This is also kind of good pattern that we can use. This is kind of more practical one at the bottom. Okay, so you can go ahead and have a look at this demo 2021 theme post video. So let's go ahead and upload a video. So whenever you have to upload or add a new block, you simply I'm still in the quote thing here, so video. So go to video here and upload a video. I'm going to select something from video as this is okay, smaller size, and this is what they're saying. So you can go ahead and type all the caption. So basically whatever you are saying in the video, if you write everything in here, that will be more accessible to the web. So that's they are talking about muted. These are a few options that you get with the video. Autoplay, loop, so keeps looping line, shuffling it. Muted, play with control, play inline, metadata auto. Oh, they have preload auto. I don't know. Poster image, which is completely new thing in WordPress. They have poster image, so I can go ahead and select this poster image kind of thing, which you get with YouTube and other video platforms, which is completely new for WordPress. Move, advanced, so these are basically new thing, not new thing, basic block thing. So I think that's what we have here in WordPress 5.6 and 2021 theme. So if you guys have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. Take care, guys.